What's up, guys? I wanted to bring it's a pretty small video here. If you remember today, I told you guys I was not going to be able to stream for those of you on the stream. And very unfortunate in the last couple of days. If you remember the watch list that I built up and I sent out on an email campaign for those of you over the weekend, last weekend, we spoke about this stock DAO. I was waiting for this rollover today, and very unfortunate I wasn't able to capitalize on this trade because I had a meeting this morning on my son's school, so I wasn't able to be around for this. It's something that I was actually expecting to see this pullback, massive rollover. If you guys go back and see that email that I sent out about this exact topic, for me to be able to capitalize on rolling over this name, it's something that is very unfortunate for me. I coming back to the computer, noticing that the things that I was planning for actually worked out very well, and it had a massive pullback today on DAO. The stock, unfortunately, I wasn't around for. And also, I also wanted to mention something to you. It's very, very important to keep an eye on the news. If you look at the Spring and T-Mobile deal that started to trend, seems like there is a judge that will actually allow this deal to close, to see the ramp up on the after hours yesterday and even today after hours. It's kind of flagging around, just going sideways. But T-Mobile and Sprint, it seems like the deal could actually close, and this thing actually worked out very well for people. Actually, the shareholders of Sprint, which is a stock that I think that run the most compared with actually the price range compared to T-Mobile. Although if you are holding some stock here from $85 all the way to $95, you're making then $10 a share. It's actually not a bad deal. I remember back in the days when we had the deal, and Oprah, or she took a stake. I think it was 10% stake on actually Weight Watchers. If I'm not mistaken, every time somebody's going to take at least 10% or more stake on a company, they have to file. And those public records, they do come out. And when those news they hit the market, well, then it creates a pretty decent opportunity, and people capitalize on these things. It's very unfortunate again that I wasn't able to capitalize. I saw again that I added yesterday. This is the 15-minute time frame that I'm watching here. Pulling back, look at these things, and the reason why I added was because of this ramp up yesterday afternoon. Also, another one of the stocks that I added was CBIO, which doesn't look too great today. DAO, CURO, not too great. MYO, I wanted to keep an eye on. As we spoke about this one the other day. Look at this pullback, right? And this stock was $38 a couple of days ago. Now just trending on $6.29 on the after hours. This is something that shorts are actually making a killing on this one. As we spoke about it the other day, we can really see this thing just move very, very nicely. And one of the ones that I've been trading in the last couple of days, you guys remember, is GLUU, using those key levels of support and resistance on different on the daily, using the different time frames. As you see right here, this is one of the key levels that we were using the 100 simple moving average and the 15. going back to $7.13, coming right down here. If you look at 714, rejection right there today in the pre-market hours, rolling down, going all the way down to 674, which is a daily level. We got 673 support right here when it came down right out of the open. So pretty decent range, pretty decent trade that anybody could have taken. We've been talking about this stock for a couple of days already, but anyway, just wanted to bring something small. I know that I didn't really trade with you guys today. I wasn't able to be around for the recording the live stream, but I wanted to bring you something anyway and talk about the news and the importance of keeping an eye on the market out there. Again, we spoke about DAO on the newsletter, that watch list that I built up for this week prior to the trading week. Today is actually only Tuesday, and if you look at the daily, this thing actually worked out as I was expecting this ramp up, and I was actually looking for this rollover to the downside again, and unfortunately I wasn't around. If you want to take advantage of all of these things, this is a free watch list that I built up and I sent out as an email, and you will be able to receive it on your inbox. If you want to take advantage of that, go over to traderscolony.com and create a free account so you can actually get that information on your email and capitalize on those little opportunities that I putting together for you guys. For now, enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the rest of your night, and happy trading. I'll see you later.